Here, smile for Daddy. Smile, Sagan.
Taking video.
Oh, look. Smile for Daddy. Do a funny trick. Do a funny new kitty trick.
There, there, let me eat.
Somebody wants.
Come on, Sagan, eat.
He's gonna get up in my lap whether I fed him or not.
Put him by the bowl, see if he'll eat again, just so you get to see that eating.
You're a noisy eater, aren't you? You're loud. Yeah, you want some water now?
No, that's good.
You want to do kitty in the basket? Kitty in the basket. Look what I found. It's a kitty in the basket. Maisie, what do you think? Gabby, this is quite a do now. Oh!
That's funny.
You're not going to be so noisy when your new friends